anak. Wala pa yung nag-asawa yung tatay pati nanay mo. Lahat tayo dito sa mundo may guhit. Believe me. Okay, huwag makinig sa... May chaplain ba dito? Wala. Are you here? Andito yung chaplain. Huwag na sana ma-open. But, lahat tayo, bago kayo alam na ng Diyos kung saan ka ilagay at kailan ka hanggang. And you choose to be a soldier, nandyan na yan sa palad ninyo. That when the time comes, when you grow old enough to decide for your own, that you will become a soldier is already written in your destiny. So, pinili ninyo yan. So, hindi sabihin mo mamatay, but you play with life and death. But that is natural.